Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy iPad 11th generation for video editing. So they want to know whether they can edit videos on their iPad 11th generation. The answer is yes, video editing is superb on iPad 11th generation. I will edit a video on InShot video editing app. This will be a 30 minutes video. I will just click some videos and then add those videos into one video. I will not edit any transition, not do any changes. I will show you how many apps are running at the background. You can see that many apps are running in the background. Yet you can edit your videos on iPad 11th generation. As it comes with a 16 Bionic chipset, video editing is a joy. I will render the video in 1080p 50 fps and show you how much time does it take. I will magnify the time at the upper left corner. The size of the video was 4 GB and 700 MB. It has taken only 9 minutes to render the video. This is the final output. There is no frame drop, lag or any other issue in this rendering. So if you are someone who wants to edit videos on iPad, then iPad 11th generation can be a very good companion of yours. Hope this video has given a clearer idea, and while editing, clear all these background apps to have a very good experience. If you clear the apps, you can easily swipe through the timeline. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video. Thank you very much.